So you want to buy your first muscle car? Respect. But before you dive in and blow your budget on a burnout machine, there are a few things you need to know. This guide covers the best options, what to avoid, and how to get the most car for your cash. Let's be clear, muscle cars aren't just any V8 powered coupe. True muscle cars are front-engine, rear-wheel drive with a big motor and bold design. Think Mustang, Camaro, Challenger. Cars built to go fast in a straight line and look aggressive doing it. So whether you're after American V8 torque or just the vibe, this guide's for you. Want a Hellcat as your first car? Cool. You got 40 grand? No? Let's be realistic. For your first muscle car, you can find solid choices under 10K to 20K. Reliable, mod-friendly, and fun. But know this. Muscle cars are thirsty, insurance isn't cheap, and you will need to maintain them. That being said, if you shop smart, you can get a beast without breaking the bank. First, Ford Mustang GT, 2005 to 2014. Cheap to buy, tons of parts, V8 power, huge community. Watch out for abused cars and rust in early models. 2. Dodge Challenger GT, 2009 to 2014. Big body, big attitude. Hemi 5.8 sounds amazing. Heavier than Mustang or Camaro, but more comfortable daily. 3. Chevrolet Camaro SS, 2010 to 2015. Aggressive design, 6.2-liter, LS3. Great handling. Visibility is bad, interior is tight. Test drive before buying. 4th Pontiac GTO, 2004 to 2006. LS1 or LS2 engine, very underrated, Australian sleeper. Parts availability can be tricky, but it's a bargain V8 car. 5. Dodge Charger RT, 2011 to 2014. 4 doors, still muscle. Practical and powerful. Big car feel, but great for first-time V8 buyers. Muscle cars get driven hard. Check for signs of abuse. Burnt tires, aftermarket parts, weird engine noises. Do a full inspection. Look for clean Carfax. No warning lights. Healthy transmission. No frame or rust damage. Always bring a mechanic or get a pre-purchase inspection. Trust me, $100 now can save $1,000 later. You will want to mod it. Intake, exhaust, tune. But don't go crazy right away. Get to know your car stock. Also, call your insurance before you buy. A V8 coupe for a 20-year-old? Could be $300 a month or more. Buying your first muscle car should be exciting, not stressful. Pick the right platform, don't rush, and you'll have a car that gives you chills every time you start it. Thinking about buying one of these? Drop your dream muscle car in the comments. Like if you're a V8 fan, subscribe if you want more car buying guides, builds, and reviews.